Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notified with my upcoming videos. Okay, so today's topic is rotation of the earth. So before reading about this rotation of the earth, I will tell you something about Nicholas Copernicus. Who was he? Nicholas Copernicus was a Polish astronomer, mathematician, painter and physicist. Okay, so Copernicus proved that the solar system is heliocentric, means sun centered. Heliocentric. Our solar system is heliocentric. Heliocentric means sun centered, that is a system in which the sun is at the center and all the planets are revolving around it, or they are orbiting around the sun. So this type of system is known as heliocentric solar system. Okay, and for thousands of years it was believed that the earth was at the center and the other heavenly bodies revolved around it, but Copernicus proved it wrong, and he proved that our solar system is heliocentric. Okay, and we still say that sun rises and sun sets, but the sun is stationary. Sun is not moving at all. Then who is moving? The planets that are revolving around it, they are moving, or we can say they are orbiting around the sun. Okay, so you remember this fact. And next we have rotation of the earth. So we know that earth has two types of movements. Okay, two types of movements, that is rotation and revolution. So today we are going to discuss about the rotation. What is rotation? The spinning of the earth from west to east on its axis is called rotation. Okay, in our previous videos we have discussed about the axis. What is an axis? Axis is an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth. Okay, and about this axis this earth is moving or rotating. Okay, so the spinning of the earth from west to east, and which direction it is spinning? From west to east about its axis, and this movement of the earth of spinning on its axis is called rotation. It is moving just like a top. You know what is top? With a thread or a rope, thin rope we tie here, and then we release it on the ground, then it spins. The movement of this top is spinning. In the same way earth is also spinning around its axis. Okay, and this movement of the earth is called rotation. Then how much time the earth takes to rotate around its axis? Earth takes 24 hours to rotate around its axis, means to complete one rotation earth takes 24 hours, or we can say one day. Okay, so 24 hours or one day is required for earth to complete one rotation. Okay, now here you can see this diagram of the earth. Here you can see this line. This is the line, or we can say this is the axis, orbital axis of the earth, means when it is moving around the sun it moves in this axis, but this is the axis in which it rotates around itself. Okay, that means it is tilted here. It is rotating in this axis, around this axis, and this axis is because of the tilting of the earth. So earth is tilted how much? 23.5 degree. Earth is tilted in 23.5 degree. That's why we draw this diagram like this. This axis is like this. Okay, and this is the equator, This is the north hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere. Okay, so next we have this rule of thumb. Now what is rule of thumb? Okay, this is the another way to understand how the earth rotates. Okay, how the earth rotates. If you want to understand this, it is very simple. See, hold your right hand with the thumb pointed upwards. Okay, this your right hand, this is your right hand, and hold it right hand, right thumb means the thumb of this right hand is upwards. Okay, this is your right hand. Now what you have to do, when you curl your fingers, they will curl in the direction of the earth's rotation. Now if you curl these fingers, then in which direction they are moving? In the direction of the earth's rotation. So when you move these fingers inside, this is the direction of the earth to move or to rotate around its axis. Just here also you can see, if you keep your hand like this, then your fingers will come this direction, that is west to east. Okay, so this is known as the rule of thumb. Hold your right hand with the thumb pointed upwards. When you curl your fingers, they will curl in the direction of the earth's rotation. Okay, this is the direction of the earth's rotation. So in this way you can know how the earth rotates, or what about its axis. Okay, rule of thumb. Then we have day and night. What is the what is the use of this rotation? Means what happens when the earth rotates? When the earth rotates, day and night occurs. Day and night occurs. How? We will see. See, the sun is a fixed source of light and heat at the center of the solar system. We know that all the planets are revolving around the sun, and sun is at the center of the solar system. Okay, and the side of the earth that is facing away from the sun, it is facing night. See, the sunlight reaching at this part of the earth. Okay, this is not the moon, this is earth. So sunlight is reaching on the half part of the earth, and that half part of the earth is having day. It is experiencing day. Okay, because this part is facing to the sun, and the part opposite to it, half part of the earth opposite to this day, it experiences night because it is away from the sun. That means the sunlight of the sunlight is not reaching to this part of the earth. Okay, so the side of the earth facing the sun experiences day, and the side that is not getting sunlight, it is experiencing the night. Okay, every day we can see this day and night occurs repeatedly. After 12 hours night is there, and just after 12 hours day is there. So 12 hours duration is for day and night. Okay, so it is not the sun that moves around the earth. Sun is not moving around the sun. Sun is not moving around the earth, but the earth is moving around the sun. Earth is moving around the sun, but that is not enough for causing day and night. Rotation of the earth is very important. Rotation of the earth is very important for causing day and night on the earth. Okay, the earth spins around the sun, that causes day and night. So while this earth is moving in the around the sun, it is moving in its orbit. Okay, that we are going to discuss in our next video also, revolution of the earth. So here when it is moving, earth is moving around the sun, it is also rotating. It is rotating. It is not moving in the straight direction. It is moving in the spinning way, like this, and because of this spinning of the earth, every part of the earth faces sunlight. Okay, every part of the earth faces sunlight. So this is all about the day and night on the earth, why it occurs. Okay, now there is one question: why do we see same side of the moon? Why do we see same side of the moon every day? Because the rotation of the earth, okay, the time that is taken by the earth for one rotation, it is 24 hours, and the time taken by the moon, we know that moon is revolving around the earth. Moon is revolving around the earth, and the time taken by the moon to complete its one revolution, it is near about 24 hours. It is same. So when the moon is revolving around the earth and earth is also spinning around itself, that means the speed of both the bodies, that is earth and moon, is same, and that's why we see the same side of the moon every day. Okay, so this is the reason. Then what is the okay, in next video we will discuss about the revolution of the earth. Till then, take care. Goodbye.